56 adults and children are at a museum. There are 12 more adults than children. Let this box be the number of adults and this box be the number of children. But this means that they are equal, which is not true because from the second line, there are 12 more adults. So we need to put plus 12 here. And the total number of adults and children is 56. Let's turn that into an equation. Box plus 12 is equal to 56. We want to find what number one box represents. So box plus box is equal to 56 minus 12. Box plus box is equal to 44. What two numbers that are equal to each other, when you plus together, you get 44. The answer is 22. So one box is equal to 22. So there are 22 plus 12 adults and 22 children. But we're not done yet because the question wants the number of children that are boys. Using the same method as above, let this box be boys and this box be girls. But that's not true because this means that they're equal because the third line says that there are 8 fewer boys than girls. So we need to put minus 8 here. The total number of boys and girls is 22. So let's turn this into an equation. Box plus box minus 8 is equal to 22. Our goal is to find one box. Box plus box is equal to 22 plus 8. Box plus box is equal to 30. What two numbers that are equal to each other, when you plus together, you get 30. The answer is 15. So this box represents 15. There are 15 minus 8 boys and 15 girls. But the question wants the number of boys. So boys is equal to 15 minus 8, which is equal to 7. There are 7 boys.